You know, it is important not to create hype. This summit has come, and now we will have a next summit next year in Bishkek. Uh, SCO, in my view, though it's an important organization, but intra-organizational disputes are huge. For example, India-Pakistan hostility, then China-India relations, and there are real problems. And India has been a kind of, in my view, has been the biggest impediment to SCO activities in the past. Now, whether after having been dished by the US for now, I do not know if we can rely on India, because India is an odd character in the SCO, because on the one hand it wanted to have a strategic partnership with the US. On the other hand, it wanted to have strategic relations with both Russia and to a certain extent China. Now, if President Trump's worldview changes about China, then obviously, and if President Trump does not see President Xi as a long-term adversary, and if they come to terms on different issues, because President Trump does not really believe in multilateralism per se. He's more into establishing, developing bilateral relations. So I'm still not sure that how SCO can really become a very, very effective organization. Though under its umbrella, we have seen many military exercises, some terror-related exercises as well. But to me, SCO has its limitations, and the more it expands, the more unwieldy it will become. So my advice to SCO would be that in order to prevent it from becoming another SARC or ECO for that matter, they need to be very careful and try to, whatever they have at the moment, try to build on that and then go for expansion. Because, as I said, the more you expand, the more unwieldy you become. And Pakistan definitely would not like the SCO to become another United Nations, which is ineffective in most cases.